Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be sharing really amazing deals that you can do at Target this week. But before we get started, check your Target Circle accounts to see if you received one of these Target Circle offers. Mine was for a $10 reward when I spend $80. So this week, Target is running this amazing household deal promotion that rewards you with a $15 gift card when you spend $50 on select household items. So the first item I'm grabbing is one of these Persil liquid detergents. These are priced at $12.99. Clip this $3 digital coupon. Then I added one of these Snuggle fabric softeners priced at $7.79 and clipped this $1.50 digital coupon. I also added 3 of these small bottles of Dreft detergent priced at $10.59. And I used 3 of these $3 coupons that I found at my son's pediatrician's office. The total for these 5 items comes up to $52.55, minus $13.50 in coupons. The total comes down to $39.05, but you're getting back that $15 gift card for spending $50. Plus, we have these Ibotta rebates, $4 for the Persil and $1.25 for the Snuggle, which brings the total down for these 5 laundry items to $18.80. But remember, we are working towards that $10 Target Circle offer. So let's grab a few more items to make this deal even better. Blue Buffalo is running this amazing promotion from now till April 12th, where you can get any dog treats up to a $15 value for free after rebate. So I grabbed one of these Blue Buffalo Bits training dog treats priced at $14.99. Blue Buffalo will give me back $14.99, making this completely free. And check your fetch offers to see if you have any Blue Buffalo offers. I had this one for 500 points back on any dog treats, which is equivalent to around 50 cents, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. The Silk Kids Oat Milk Blend is on sale for $1 off this week, so you can grab one of these at $4.29. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $3 back, making this just $1.29. The Ibotta rebate is a limit of 3, so I'm grabbing 2 of these. The Perfect Bars are on sale at buy one get one half off again this week. These are priced at $2.69, so grabbing 2 will total $4.04. Submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back per bar, and Aisle will give you back 25 cents, making 2 of these a 21-cent moneymaker. And this is everything I grabbed. The subtotal for these items comes up to $80.16, minus $13.50 in coupons. My total came down to $66.66. But I got back that $15 gift card for the household deal, plus $15.25 from Ibotta. I'll be getting back $14.99 in a few weeks from the Blue Buffalo rebate, 25 cents from Aisle, and 70 cents from Fetch. And I earned that $10 Target Circle reward for spending $80. That reward was added to my account right away, which is really nice. So after all that cash back and rewards, my final total for $80 worth of items came down to just $10.47, or $1.05 each, which is such a blessing. Thank God for coupons and rebates. If you're new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to watch more amazing videos just like this one. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.